Hello everyone, it's Michaela. I am here with a new bonding technique, the stoner method. This whole new technique that really helps build cushion at the base of the lash before you go in and apply your gossamer lashes. I'm gonna take my black Whisper Light and start brushing it through the lash from root to end in nice light coats. I wanna make sure that this bond gets tacky for about 30 seconds. I'm going to do the black Whisper Light again, giving it a really good wiggle at the base or the root of the natural lash to build that next layer of cushion. I'm gonna take that Whisper Light clear and just start dabbing little dots. Less is more with the Whisper Light clear, about 1 to 2 millimeters from the waterline. And it should look like this once it's applied. Now, we just kind of forget about it. Kind of wait a hot sec, go and get your gossamer lashes ready, lay them out onto your lash pad. I'm gonna take the Whisper Light clear with the precision tip again and just build another layer. Perfect. While we wait for this layer to dry, go grab a drink, get a snack, wash your hands, do whatever you need to do, and then we'll come back and apply the gossamers. This is a great bonding method to use with the Whisper Light that comes right in your control kit. It helps build layer, build cushion, so that your lashes are sitting comfortably on your natural lashes and they will last for as long as you'd like.